Today's plan is to prep this so I can pull it out tomorrow. I need to disconnect the fuel, the water intake, the raw water. Got to undo the exhaust. The exhaust is that bit down there, the fuel line is over there, the raw water comes in there, but it actually ends up down there where the impeller is, all that nasty salty stuff down there. And then I'll need to undo various sensors like the water temperature there, and the electrics for starting. So the main reason I'm pulling the motor out, other than I really need to give it an overhaul and a check and clear it up and making sure it looks nice, especially the electricals behind it where I can't get to it easily, is I need to put better soundproofing inside the engine bay. I need to clean it up, tidy it up, service a few parts on it. I want to prep it for putting some new instruments up, which will go into that hole there as opposed to down. It's hard to see all the time, you've got to lean over and look down to see the things. So if I take the motor out totally, I can then get in here and clean everything up, organise it, then soundproof it, make it all pretty, and hopefully I'll have a much quieter cockpit when we are having to use the motor a lot. If this fails, I'll have to hammer it. Okay, we did make a difference. So I'm going to pull on this. It's going to, because of the way it's angling, it's going to try and pull it against this way. Push it in this way.
Okay, well I can grab that thing and push that way.
Or push that way. So I've forgotten how we did this last time. So that's just how it is. Okay, so if I start pulling up. No. See, that's coming loose. If I pull that up a bit more. And two. Here again. Under here. No, don't stop. Keep going, boy. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's actually worked. Shit, that's amazing. Put that around here like that. Straighten it up a bit. Ah, this might work. Okay. Right. Done. Now I've got to get it onto the table. Look past me the screwdriver. The flathead. Ah! Whole thing anyway. Done. I've got that's attaching this motor to the rest of the boat. Those cables are free, that's part of the system. How do I get into the main earth? I don't want to climb under that motor because if it falls down, it's gonna hurt. I could cut the earth because I do want to run new cables in my earthing. Got a crap earthing system at the moment. So if I cut that earth, I can run it down to this side, which is a more practical side because I can keep an eye on it, I guess. Although it is part of the starter motor current, so maybe not such a good idea. Right, cutters. Do I have a set of cutters? Yes, yes. Where should I cut it? This side here, I think. Which I think is this one here. Is it that one there? It is that one there. Okay.
There, no.
Okay. Go there. Right, cut. More blood.
I don't know, say that to the camera.
What else have I... What else is attaching the motor to the boat? Let's have a look. So, right, fuel lines are done. Electrical, I think, is done. I'll do a last check. Water and air is done. What else is left? Nothing really. One last power cable, which is my main feed off the alternator. So that's got to come off. Somehow, we're going to lift this up and put it on the table. Aren't we? Yes. Going to grab that 12.
What tool are you talking about?
A socket set.
Aha. Where's the socket set?
Indeed, where is it? Socket set, Taiga.
Where's the socket set? Aha! Yeah. In here. Open sesame. Wait, what? Aha.
Ooh,
A 13, was it?
I'm not sure. Yeah, 13 it might be. You're still recording, are you?
But the 13's gone.
The 13's gone? Well, that's for the small one. Where's the big one? That's the small set. Why you got the small set over there? The small set lives in the small set space. You're not doing a very good job looking after me tools here, Tiger, are you? You're going to have to get a new boy. Where are all the parts? This end we're going to lift up and then put it onto here, okay? So it's resting on here. I put a cloth here, so that long pole is going to be resting on here.
Okay.
All right, and then when it's rested, and we can put it through the rope that Tiger's got his hand on now, taking the weight, and we can slide it around where we want. That's the plan.